Hello, good morning, Ụtụtụ ọma. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this channel. I hope by the time we are through for about a month, I will not only have taught you a very reasonable Igbo language, you will also have matured into another teacher of Igbo language. My name is Dr. Magnus Ngozi Uwalaka, or you may just call me Dr. Uwalaka for short. Abum onye Igbo. I am an Igbo. Abum onye dokita. I am a medical doctor. A journey of 1,000 miles always begins with a step. These are people who can be taught Igbo language. Look beyond, you will see a beautiful house there. It is built with blocks and other beautiful structures to erect that beautiful edifice. Igbo language is like a masterpiece, an edifice properly designed and constructed. I think I can compare it with the Christ the King Cathedral here in Aba, made up of simple building blocks and other components of the architecture that gave us this beautiful edifice. That's how Igbo language is. We will use this channel to teach you Igbo language in a very simplified form. Our methodology will be such that we teach you how to crawl as a baby, how to stand up and walk before we teach you how to run. The building blocks of Igbo language are the alphabet, what we call ABIIDI. We call it ABIIDI. The Igbo alphabet, we call it ABIIDI. I don't want to rush you into the ABIIDI of Igbo language. We shall do it step by step. I want to let you know that Igbo alphabet originated from the English alphabet because they were our colonial masters and they taught us their language. From there, Igbo language derived its own alphabet. We will not rush into the Igbo alphabet. We will start by introducing them little by little in small groups. The first group I want to introduce to you will be the vowels. The vowels, Igbo vowels. There are 8 of them. A, E, O, A, E, O. There are 8 of them, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are also 2 other words, special words, M and N. These 2 letters, these 2 letters, they resemble vowels in certain situations in Igbo language. Just the same way in English language, the 2 letters W and Y behave like vowels. You can imagine words like why, shy, try, and other words like that. So these 2 letters pretend to be vowels in certain situations. So know very well that Igbo vowels are 8 in number. A, E, O, E, I, O, U. Then remember, me, ne, me, ne. Can you say that? Me, ne. These 4 vowels, these 4 letters, they are called light vowels because they sound soft. We call them light vowels. In Igbo, we call them udumemfe because they sound light, they sound soft. These other ones, E, I, O, U, we call them heavy vowels, udeume aro, because they sound heavy. Note the dots under A, O. They are not present in I, O, U. These ones are heavy. These 2 letters, me and ne, they sound like vowels. They are semblances of vowels, and we call them oyiriudume. Just because in certain situations you breathe through the nose with your mouth closed, and then you produce you pronounce oyiriudume. Udume simply means you breathe out through the nose, the sound comes out. You breathe out through the mouth and vocalize, the sound comes out. Udume, breath sounds. We will not take the Igbo alphabet at a go. ABIIDI Igbo. We shall take them piecemeal in what I call families. We shall divide them arbitrarily into 6 families. This is the first family. A, B, Chi, D. Look at the pronunciation here. A, B, Chi, D. When you want to spell a word like Aba, don't spell it in English. You may be tempted to spell A-B-A. No, it is A-B-A because you have to pronounce them accordingly. A, B, Chi, D. You see the arrow showing us that you raise your voice. In our next video, we shall study a lot more about the Igbo alphabet and how to use them to form words. We shall divide the Igbo alphabet into 6 arbitrary families. But today, note the vowels, there are 8 of them. A, E, O. They are called light vowels or udumemfe. Udume means breath sounds. And A, E, O, U, they are called udaume aro because they sound heavy. I've also made you realize that there are 2 letters, me and ne. They are called oyiri udaume. Oyiri means semblance of, resembles vowels, because sometimes the noise, the sound is produced even when the mouth is closed. You can say Then I have told you, you pronounce the letters not necessarily like English letters. We pronounce A, B, Chi, D. So when you are spelling Aba, you don't say A-B-A. You don't say A-B-A. You say A-B-A. Aba. Until the next time we meet, have a nice time. Enjoy the 8 vowels, the oyiriudume, and of course, expect a lot of beautiful things are coming your way. You will become an Igbo language teacher very soon. Bye for now.